Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my NIV Journal the Word Bible, and I am in the book of Psalms again. I'm loving this book, but it's Psalms chapter 17, verse 8, where it says, "Keep me as the apple of your eye, hide me in the shadow of your wings." And so this is a prayer from David to the Lord. He's just giving thanks to the Lord, but he's also telling the Lord that he is following God, and he just wants him to hear him and hear his cry, and he is really asking God just to watch over him, be with him. And this whole chapter actually is just him just praying to God and just asking for him to give him strength and for him to have wisdom in what he's doing and everything like that. So I wanted a verse that was talking about apples because my daughter, who is in college, went with her roommate and her family to an apple farm in Ohio, and it just got me into the fall season, and I don't know, it was just apples were on my mind. So I went and I found a passage that talked about that. And when David is asking God for him to keep him as the apple of his eye, he just wants God to he's wanting God to let him be important to him. And as we know, as a Christian, if we believe in God, he will always be our number one supporter, and we will always be the apple of his eye, no matter what. Even if we sin, he will always forgive us and just love us just like we're his favorite. So yeah, so what I want to do here on the page, and I think I may even go over to this page because there's more room. I wanted to draw an apple basket and then have some apples coming out of the basket and just kind of do a fun fall theme. I'm going to use my watercolor palette here. This is just a cheap one that I picked up at the Daiso store. I have a couple different paintbrushes and my Tombow markers to try and do some lettering. I'll probably just do keep me as the apple of your eye or something like that. I'm not sure. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and get this started. right, so here's my final entry. I think this turned out really cute. I really love how the basket and the apples turned out. As you notice there, I accidentally wrote my instead of your I. So I was able to erase a lot of the pen, which was, I couldn't believe I could do that. And then I used some of the white paint to cover up that. And then I went back in with the blue and then wrote in your with my pen. So I thought that turned out really great. I'm glad that you can barely even see the lettering that was underneath there. So yeah, I hope that you liked this entry. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.